Hi, my name is Dr.Amee Daxini. I'm a practicing dermatologist in my clinic called Think Skin Clinic in Bangalore on Sarjapur Road. I have about 20 years of experience in skincare, treating patients all across the country and training doctors. I am a gold medalist from Grant Medical College JJ Group of Hospitals, and I'm here to serve each and every one of you. In the kitchen, there are wonderful things that one can use for our skin to keep it healthy and prevent further damage. But today I'm going to talk about three very interesting things which I use myself. The first is, I call it the rice powder resurfacing. So just a simple rice can be ground very finely. You can mix it with your regular face wash or you can mix it with your body wash. Use that as a natural scrub. The rice powder particles help in actually resurfacing and removing the dead skin cells. Also, they help stimulate the blood supply. That will give you a fresher, more radiant and a pinker look. This is the first one that I tried almost once a week. The same thing you can use in your body wash. Mix a pinch of rice powder in your body wash and use it to scrub your body every weekend to get that fresh, softer look. The second one, which is also one of my favorites, I call it the curdy mask. So curd contains something called lactic acid. Lactic acid is a wonderful exfoliant as well as a hydrant of the skin. So it not only helps in removing the dirt, dust, grease, but it also helps moisturize your skin. Take just 2 teaspoonfuls of curd and put a pinch of either besan or wheat powder or wheat flour in it. Mix it, make it to a thick paste consistency and apply it on your face for 20 minutes. You can do this once a week if you have normal to dry skin. You can do it every alternate days if you have oily or combination skin type. What this does, it removes the dead skin cells, also hydrates, moisturizes, giving you that radiant glow. And the third, which I would recommend to all of you, especially the ones who are always on social media, this is called the cool spoon magic. Just place 2 stainless steel teaspoons in the refrigerator of a freezer if you want a quick effect. Remove them once they are cooled and chilled. Apply it upside down on your eyes which are closed. Keep it there for a count of 10. Remove it. Repeat that 3 times every night before you go to sleep. This will reduce the congestion around the eyes. It will improve the drainage of the blood supply and keep it cool. It also reduces inflammation and subsequently dark circles. So try these 3 hacks from the kitchen and do let me know how you feel about it.